Alright, welcome back to my channel. Here's the Big D, Astra Big D. Very super rare drive. This is like the third test after recapping it and just spending a whole day on it. Drive 1 works, but we want to test the second drive. And I'm going to load synchro mesh to put a hurt on it, and I lubed the rails so it should be more quiet. I already did a speed test. Lube the rails with the Vaseline. It's already significantly quieter. Still grindy, but quieter than the first time. You clean the rails off with rubbing alcohol and Q-tips, and then you apply saw it. This thing is built like a tank. It's probably one of the best built disk drives I've ever come across. I'm no disk drive technician, but how do you get files on disk? Invalid drive name. Disk, it's not disk 2. Well, anyway. She's working. Load. Load the RPM. I'll have to figure out what, see ya. Oh, on next drive test, I'll test drive 2. Yeah, simple recap. I mean, it was just a time-consuming process to get the thing apart. I still don't have the, that's great. I still don't have the case perfectly on there, and I had to do some adjusting to the switch. I extended the cord to the switch so I could play with the lid a little bit better. So we'll go back and we'll test drive 2. Let's just hit reset. Let it go back and load synchro mesh and all that. It does see the drive, so that's good. Yeah, Kay Sabat's dropped this off. This disk drive can only read certain BBS disks, is what he's telling me. So without this disk drive working, he couldn't archive those BBS disks. So that's why this was so important. That and this is a super rare drive. So just to get it up and running, he said it was running and then it just stopped. So I figured, well, maybe just a recap will do it. The transformer in the back, you can find those. Those are pretty common on eBay. I didn't think it needed to be replaced. Obviously, it didn't. There are other DOSes you can load, but this one has a speed test on it, so that's why I like using this. And trying to load synchro mesh on these drives that don't support it, it kind of puts a hurt on it. All right, files on disk. Well, we should have just loaded it, but oh well. Load. GT RPM.com. Strangely enough. I guess I am a disk drive repairman. We'll find out how this second drive works. Yeah, it lights up. Speed is okay. All right. The drive be working. Sweetness. All right. Yeah. At the same time he dropped this off, he dropped off a couple of 1050s and XF551s, and I didn't know what power supply the XF551s took, and they draw too much amperage, and they will knock out a 400, 800 power supply that does not have enough amperage or wattage or whatever. I learned that lesson the hard way, and it knocked out 2 of my power supplies from my 8-bit testing station, but lessons learned. That money could have gone somewhere else, but oh well. All right, this is awesome. If I could just get this lid back on, I mean, you can only tell there's a gap up front. If I could just get that lid to sit back down flush, it'd be great. But as it stands, everything's clean, it runs, it looks good, it's clean. And, well, there you go. I am honestly quite surprised that I got this thing running. I had low confidence in it. Once I saw that pad on that one capacitor leg had come off, I was having trouble getting the cap out. There's like 5 capacitors. 3 of them were leaking badly, and so I was worried about damage to the board too. But I took everything and cleaned it all up, and amazing. That's great. We'll let this load and call it a day. Come pick this up, Kay. Great. All right. Well, thanks for watching. This Big D was a big treat and a lot of fun, and I learned a lot along the way. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.